How to add your delivery address on Etsy. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add them. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see this profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So here, you can find a section called Settings. Simply tap on Settings. So now, we're in this Settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options and can even customize it. So here there's a section called Manage Addresses. Simply tap on it and here tap on Add a new address. So basically this is the place where you can set up your delivery address. Here you can select your country, add your name, add every essential things that you need in this address. At last tap on Save and you're all set to go. So later you can use the same address for deliveries. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.